Alright, superstar pupils. Liddy Lex needs help to get back to her dimension. But before, we have to sing a color song. But before we do that, let's go over our colors. We're gonna start off with our basic colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Okay, superstar pupils? You ready? We're gonna go ahead and sing it in a song and give Liddy Lex a tour around Atlanta in my brand new car. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and sing our colors. You ready, superstar pupils? We're gonna sing it to them on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.